So I'm continuing to TikTok stage healing toward image to post explain, but people is research to explain to our TikTok long video is search about almost many explanation is not right in the Bible, probably politics, discover research, Google editable edited apps to campaigns in TikTok video first landscape na mas mataas ang kanilang view for TikTok, encourage about that and mental health problem. I don't, all my speech in TikTok is stitch. I can research because reaches the words. Hindi naman kayo nauna mag-post ng mga video na may mga gumagawa niya nan kinukuha nyo ng things from the editing and mental health problem. Mental health problem is not your mind person. Answer is the brain. Wow. Because mental health your problem is very real.